What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we do have another update on Jasmy, and he has finally hit the 1 cent target guys. Yesterday and today has been quite good for Jasmy. Pumps in value 72% up right now, and in the last 24 hours itself it has pumped up just about 30%. So what is next for Jasmy guys? Is it going to keep pumping? Is it going to crash back down in value? That's what we're going to be going through. Its prediction for 2024, how high and how low can it get? Can it potentially hit the 5 cents target, meaning hitting a new all-time high over the next couple of weeks and months as well? And looking at, is this a crypto to be buying right now? Is it too late? Should you sell it, or should you hold on to it before it pumps up even higher? So we are going to cover both buyers and sellers point of view as well. But before I get into all of that stuff guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel, and for a bonus entry, following me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently looking at the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I will be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis. But for now, I'm just going to hide this, and I'm going to bring up the usual MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are looking at the daily chart, and as usual guys, we've got the purple line running across the chart giving us the average value of Jasmy, which is here in purple. However, the crypto is trading at a much higher value here in red at over 1 cent, meaning it's performing very well and much better than expected. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I do that guys, just a little disclaimer. As usual, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart here, we do have the blue line looking slightly bearish, heading towards the negative direction, and the orange line is looking slightly bullish, heading towards the positive direction. So essentially what we have is two lines going the opposite direction to each other. So according to the graph, an overall fluctuation in value is what is expected from Jasmy over the next 12 to 14 hours, so towards the end of the day today and early hours of tomorrow. However, from the predictions and analysis that I have done, I'm expecting it to keep pumping up in value, but at a slow pace guys. I do expect it to hit red candles in between as well, so it is likely to go for a little bit of a dip in between, but the overall outcome seems to be more on the positive side, meaning an overall increase in value is what I'm expecting from Jasmy over the next 12 to 14 hours. So by the end of the day today, it should be heading over the 0.011 cent target is what my expectations are at the moment. Moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days, what can we see here? The blue and the orange line are still looking quite steep, heading towards the bullish direction, looking very positive. However, the fact that they are looking this steep means it's not realistic. Reason being is due to the major pump that's taking place over the last 24 to 48 hours. The graph thinks that the crypto is going to keep pumping in that direction and at that pace over the coming week or so, but again, that is clearly not realistic. So over the next 7 to 8 days, by early to mid next week, I'm expecting Jasmy to be hovering around its current price range of 1 cent. So let me explain that as to why I'm expecting that. I'm expecting it to drop down a little bit further down by mid to end of this week, so taking a little bit of a dip down, going through a price correction, dropping potentially down to about 0.008 cents in value, and then slowly starting to gain value towards the end of this week and early next week, making it pump back up to the 1 cent target is what I'm expecting. So it will be quite volatile, but the overall outcome seems to be more on the neutral side of where it's trading at the moment. Moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks, what can we see here? The blue and the orange line are still looking quite bullish, heading towards a positive direction, and once again looking quite steep, meaning again this is not realistic guys. Exact same reason as the previous chart, but over the next 6 to 8 weeks, so early to mid April 2024, I am expecting Jasmy to be heading over the near about hitting 2 cents in value is what I'm expecting. So more or less double of where it is at the moment is what I'm expecting Jasmy to be trading at. Reason for that is I'm expecting the crypto market to be slowly heading upwards towards the bullish side for over the next 2.5 months. But again, price corrections are always part of the process. Do expect red candles in between, where the crypto is likely to take a little bit of a dip in between. But again, the overall outcome seems to be more on the positive side. So guys, do expect Jasmy to be heading just about the 2 cents target in April, May is what my expectations are. If there are any changes to that, I will let you guys know as soon as possible. So make sure you guys stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload, as Jasmy is a crypto that I keep you guys updated on a regular basis that I cover on this channel. So let's get rid of the MACD indicator and bring on the Fibonacci scale. We are still trading in the red zone and we are getting very close to the green zone here, the resistance target, which I'm expecting it to hit in early to mid March and potentially break out from the resistance level here into the green zone by late March and April is when I'm expecting Jasmy to break out from the red zone and into the green zone. So going into the CoinMarketCap website here, we can see the trading volume has gone up over 65% in the last 24 hours, making it $604 million in trading, which is again a huge increase in trading. Again, reason for that is the pump that's been taking place over the last few days here. A lot more people have been trading the crypto, a lot more buyers, a lot more sellers, and in general a lot more traders, which in fact has helped the value of Jasmy pump up even higher. And as you guys can see, it is the second top gainer in the last 24 hours according to Binance as well. So yeah, this is my take on Jasmy. So can this crypto hit 5 cents in 2024? Personally, we're gonna have to hit the 2 cents target first, which I'm expecting it to hit by April, May, and potentially in Q3 of 2024. I'm expecting Jasmy to be heading to around the 3 cents target and potentially just above 3 cents towards the very end of the year. So yes, it will get close to the 5 cents target, but not necessarily hit that value. Reason is because it's going to require a major increase in value, which I'm not expecting. It needs to be sustainable. It needs to go for a slow and steady increase. So potentially over the next 12 to 18 months is when I'm expecting Jasmy to hit the 5 cents target. Let me know in the comment section down below, how high are you guys expecting Jasmy to go in 2024, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And at the end of the day, guys, it's free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video, and I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.